Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking Pansit Mickey Bihon Guisado. Let's do it! Here are the ingredients. We have cabbage, snow peas, carrots, fish ball, pork belly, onions, shrimp, garlic, salt and pepper, lemon juice, olive oil, fish sauce, soy sauce. We have the Mickey. We have rice stick Bihon, chicken stock, and we're gonna use also the Pansit Bihon mix. So let's proceed to cooking. In our hot wok here, we will cook our fish ball first. Let's add olive oil. Okay. Then we'll put our fish ball in. Okay. We're gonna let it brown a little bit. Probably it will take 2 minutes. Now the fish ball is already cooked, so we will set this aside first. Now we will cook our belly. This is already cooked, so half cooked, so we're gonna cook it some more. Okay. We're gonna let the natural oil of the belly to come out. All right. Give it 2 minutes. Now the belly is cooked already. We're gonna set this aside for the meantime. Now this is time to saute the other ingredients. We're gonna put our onion. Give it a minute. Now let's add our garlic. Add our garlic in. Give it 30 seconds. Now we'll put our belly. Now we're going to add our shrimp. Okay. Give it 3 minutes. We will not overcook the shrimp. Okay, now we put the shrimp in already, and we'll just let it a little bit brownish, like 3 minutes. Now we'll put our fish ball. Okay. And then we can add our Bihon mix, the Pansit mix. There you go. And cook this for the next 2 minutes. Now we're gonna add our carrots. Okay. And snow peas. All right. And cook this for the next 1.5 minutes. Let's check it. We added already a little of chicken stock, so we're gonna let this simmer for a minute or so. And for the meantime, we'll cover it. Now we will add our cabbage. We'll cook this for the next 2 minutes. Okay. Now our vegetables are cooked already, so we're gonna set this aside first, and then we're gonna cook our noodles. Now we have our chicken stock here. We will cook our noodles. Now we will put our noodles. Put the noodles in. All right. Okay. Then put our Mickey. So this is a combination of Mickey Bihon. So we'll cook it for the next 3 minutes. Now after this, we're gonna mix our vegetables and other ingredients. Let's mix this for the meantime. Now we're gonna put our veggie. There you go. It's beautiful, isn't it? Here is the finished product. Pansit, Mickey Bihon, Guisado. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching and have a good day.